Good afternoon, people. This is Super Simple Fixes, and today we are changing another clock. This one is a GE stove. All right. Also, pretty simple, pretty quick. See one of the options right here. You're gonna hit clock. Hit it again. See it flashing. We're gonna go to the plus button. Right now it is about 123. I believe that's where I started. Obviously things are going to be different with different stoves. If you're not sure, check your manual. 124, that's good enough. See how the two dots are flashing there? Just hit clock and you know that it is set when it stops flashing just like that. All right, thanks a lot, guys. Have a great rest of the day.